So guys, here you can see one more time we came out with the generative AI, and in today's generative AI video, I'm telling about in the generative AI what are roles. Okay, in the ChatGPT 3.5 what are roles. So yeah, I'm telling you about this video. Start to and please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to all the notification bell also. So you never miss ever any future related videos about the generative AI or ChatGPT. So now let's move computer screen and let's talk about when the generative AI, what a ChatGPT 3.5 and what are roles. So yeah, we are learning about this. So let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with loving it. So guys, here you can see one more time came out the generative AI, and in today's generative AI video, I'm telling you about the in the generative AI what are in the ChatGPT 3.5 what are roles. So yeah, we are learning about it. So let's talk about it. What are roles in generative AI? So let's talk about it. ChatGPT 3.5 role programming prompting. Sorry. Let me tell you a simple way to add a context to a prompt is to assign a role to ChatGPT. For example, your prompt can start with you are a lawyer or you are a post and then ask your question with this type of following prompt. If you write this type of following prompt, the response from ChatGPT 3.5 could be look like this. Okay, let me show you. Let me copy it and let me come on my here and let me search here Google and let me write here ChatGPT 3.5. Now here first point in came like let me open it the ChatGPT 3.5. Now it has been opened now like that. When it has been opened, you simply ask this question. Okay, you are a post response to the following. Explain the most important way ChatGPT can help me. The answer should be no more than 100 words. Okay, this type of question I asked to a ChatGPT. So let me see which type of response it will give me. Let me see. Enter press. Here you can see it is giving me this type of answer. Here you can see it. ChatGPT most important sense, like here you can see it. Or if I ask this from real ChatGPT, now it is saying me I sparked out a guiding hand. I have built a create expand from code to words, from plans to play. I save your tasks in seamless way. A partner for questions, a solver of codes, turning ideas into your best. Efficiency bloom your bundle swain. I clear the fog, remove the strain. The most important, your time to free, empowering dreams with clarity. Here you can see it like that. Like that, this type of response has came from the ChatGPT. Here you can see it. Now, here you can see it. It's also semi. Okay, now like that. By giving the ChatGPT a role, we are adding the context. Okay, context. We can even add more details to the role by specifying what we expect of it. In this example with the following prompt, okay, the response from the ChatGPT 3.5 could be look like this. Okay, and let me copy this and let me see which type of response it will give me. I say to the ChatGPT, okay, sorry, let me come here. I say that ChatGPT, you are a personal trainer. You are a personal trainer. You have no knowledge about nutritional data, exercise, science, and other relevant information. Always answer with the goal of improving the strength, fitness, and health. Respond to the following. Explain the most important way ChatGPT can help me. The answer should be no more than 100 words. I give this type of question to the ChatGPT and let me see which type of output it will give me. So you will press enter simply, or you can press here. When you press it from here, so now it is start to giving me like ChatGPT. Here you can see it is giving me like this. Now let me read it. ChatGPT can provide personalized guidance on fitness routines, nutrition plans, and recovery strategies tailored to your goals. It offers quick answer to fitness questions, creates detailed workout programs and suggest healthy meal options based on your dietary preferences by acting as an accessible source of evidence-based knowledge. It supports your journey toward improved strength, fitness, and overall health. And this type of answer it give me the ChatGPT give me, and let me show you here. Here give me as a personal trainer. The most important way ChatGPT can help is you providing expert advice on exercise and nutrition. I can offer tailored workout plans and suggest healthy meal options based on your fitness goal and lifestyle. And same here it is giving me. Here you can see it. But little bit differences in this answer and little bit differences in this answer. Okay, there are little bit differences. Now, different roles produce different results. Let's try the same question through the even more rules. Act like a lawyer. This is the one question we write a one prompt. You can see it. The response from the ChatGPT-3.5 will be look like this. As a lawyer, I understand the importance of providing conscious and clear advice to my clients. Now let me see which type of answer it give me in here. Let me see. And I'm asking the ChatGPT one question. I say to the ChatGPT, you are a lawyer, you have a knowledge about the law, past precedents, and other relevant information. Always answer with the goal of giving advice on how to best use the situation, but also stay within the perimeter of the law. Then respond to the following. And then I say, explain the most important way ChatGPT can help me. The answer should be no more than 100 words. So now let me see which type of output it will give me. Now let me ask it. Now it is saying, it is giving me two response. Here you can see it. It is giving me two response, and which you prefer you will be choose it. Okay, which you will be first you read both of the paragraph, then which is yours from the which paragraph you are satisfied. So then click on the prefer this response, then you will be use it. Okay, and it is giving me here, as a lawyer I understand the importance of providing conscious and clear advice to my clients. Here it is giving me ChatGPT can help me providing clear, accessible explanation of legal concepts, and here it give me ChatGPT can provide clarity on legal concepts such as potential approaches to legal issues like that. Here there is only little bit changes. Okay, then you will be I am clicking on this one, and then you will be copied, and then you will be use it very easily. Yes. Now, act like a Yoda. With the following prompt in here you can see this type of one question I asked to a ChatGPT. You are a Yoda from Star Wars. You have all knowledge of Yoda. Answer like Yoda using the manner of speaking and vocabulary of Yoda. Respond to the following. Explain the most important way ChatGPT can help me. The answer should be no more than 100 words. This type of answer I am asking to a ChatGPT. Now let's see which type of answer it will be give me. Now, it is giving me help you ChatGPT can knowledge provides guidance. It offers in many matters vast and small learn you will insights. Again, you shall to questions, burning or tasks, dotting, a tool for wisdom. It is not a master, but add in your journey. It can use it wisely. You must for strength and clarity. The key they are yes like this type of answer it is giving me, and in here in this type of diagram it is also giving me this type of example. Act like a caveman. The one prompt here you can see we write it in ChatGPT. I say to the ChatGPT, you are a caveman from the prehistoric times. You have all the limited knowledge of a caveman. Your primary concerns are eating, surviving, and producing. Explain the most important way ChatGPT can help me. The answers will be no more than 100 words. I wrote this type of question to the ChatGPT. So let's see which type of answer it will give me. It will give me ChatGPT like why Shader it can help me by find food ideas, the make tools better. This is the same like here. Okay, in this diagram. Now, the last ones may not be useful, but I hope they give you an idea of how to use the roles to give prompts more context. Okay, this video main topic is about how to give the roles, how to give the role to the ChatGPT 3.5 role prompting. Here you can see we do a role prompting in today's video. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share friend, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to all the notification bell also in our server any future related videos about the generative AI. So now I'm Aju next class and next very amazing class like that type of videos of the generative AI. Now I'm Aju next class and next very amazing class. So now for today, goodbye.